Hi, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If you need all the updated discount and promotion for this website, check out my YouTube video description first link. You will get all the latest discount deals. Click the shop now button, it will take you to the official website. You will get the discount with confidence. Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday, all the latest discount will be added. The best part is, if you need more new coupon with monthly updated discount, you can check out my YouTube video description second link. You will get thousands of discount for any website, and on the search option, you can search with any website name. You will get the discount with confidence. Subscribe, like my video, share my video with your friends, write few words in the comment. See you in another new discount video. Thanks for watching.